Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to solve remaining examples from practice set 5.1. This is our second video. In this video, we solve the example based on the expansion formula x plus a in second bracket x plus b. Watch the video carefully and up to end. Practice set 5.1. Expand. First example, 3x plus 4y in second bracket 3x plus 5y. Here the variable x with constant coefficient. Here 3 in second bracket, also coefficient of x is 3. First write down the example as it is. Now write down the formula using x plus a in second bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b bracket complete into x plus ab. Here x is 3x and a is 4y and b is 5y. Now substitute the values. 3x bracket square plus 4y plus 5y into 3x plus 4y into 5y. 3x bracket square is equal to 9x square plus 4 plus 5 that is 9y into 3x plus 4 5s are 20 y into y square is equal to 9x square plus 27xy plus 20y square. 9 into 3, 27, x into y that is xy. Second example, 9x minus 5t in second bracket 9x plus 3t. Write down the example as it is first in the answer. Now write down using the formula x plus a into bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b bracket complete into x plus ab. Here x is 9x, a is minus 5t and b is 3t is equal to 9x bracket square plus in bracket minus 5t plus 3t into 9x plus minus 5t into 3t. 9x bracket square that is 81x square. Here minus 5t plus 3t that is minus 2t into 9x minus 5t into 3t that is minus 15t square. Write down 9x bracket square that is 81x square minus 2t into 9x minus 15t square. Here minus 2 into 9 that is minus 18xt. Write down 81x square minus 18xt minus 15t square is the answer or an expansion of this given example. Next example, m plus 2 upon 3 in second bracket m minus 7 upon 3. Write down the example as it is. Now write down the formula using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b bracket complete into x plus ab. Now substitute the value. Here x is Variable is here m. A is 2 upon 3 and b is minus 7 upon 3. M square plus in bracket 2 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3 bracket complete into m plus 2 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 3. 2 upon 3 here, denominators are same, therefore we subtract only the numerator. 2 minus 7, that is minus 5. That is minus 5 upon 3. M square as it is plus minus 5 upon 3 into m minus 14 upon 9. 2 into 7, 14. 3 into 3, 9. But one number is positive and one is negative. Therefore, answer is negative, that is minus. Is equal to m square minus 5 upon 3m minus 14 upon 9. Fourth example, x plus 1 upon x in second bracket x minus 1 upon x. This example we solve by using the expansion formula of a plus b in second bracket a minus b. That is a square minus b square. That is x square minus 1 upon x square. But here solve this example by using x plus a in second bracket x plus b. Write down the example as it is using x plus a in second bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b bracket complete into x plus ab is equal to x square plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x bracket complete into x plus 1 upon x into minus 1 upon x. Here minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x, that is 0 into x. X square plus 0 into x minus 1 upon x square. Here 1 into 1, 1, x into x, x square. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. The answer is, product is negative. 0 into x, that is 0. So we don't write the 0 term. Therefore, answer is x square minus 1 upon x square. Now, using a plus a plus b in second bracket a minus b. What is the expansion of this? That is a square minus b square. Here we solve this example by using this formula also, that is a is x square minus b is 1 upon x bracket square, that is equal to x square minus 1 upon x square. The answer is the same here and here. So, by using both the formula, we solve this example. Last example, 1 upon y plus 4 in second bracket 1 upon y minus 9. Write down the example as it is. Now, using the formula x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b bracket complete into x plus ab is equal to 1 upon y bracket square plus 4 minus 9 bracket complete into 1 upon y plus 4 into minus 9. Whenever there are signs together, then we use bracket to separate the sign. 1 upon y square minus 5 into 1 upon y minus 36 plus minus, that is the product is minus, is equal to 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y minus 36. Write down all these examples in your notebook. Here we complete practice set 5.1. Thank you.